agus na partner ar fad, céim economy agus baby media agus an codan an hoglan a bheith an seán ar fad.
Hi, my name is Sosul. I am an organizer at PPR and I will translate for Fhéile.
مرحبا طبعا بكم جميعا وشكرا لكم لحضوركم ودعمكم الموجود هنا.
He is saying thank you for coming today and for your continuous support.
Thank you Arga on G Galdu. A Yanni an marker Bonnie Horde Douglas the Heater ag an am sin go foil on in Yaran. Agus den G killing you Cree Law felty pobble Cosalisha.
Ons mis support bí na gohúna agus tá mé mar ibre oigen Sheoladh glúna.
Aire himut fat the pen lag yalig cha. It's ní damage we smack mar permud.
Carraige Moe is live a league as in Curry Vein shot Sheoladh Féile and Carraige and you. Chums got all spraggle or fad Agraha at Glornamona. Thank you for the invitation to be here today for the launch of Féile and Carraige, yet another initiative which demonstrates the drive and the activism which is the hallmark of Glornamona.
Cín gachra imimetaí na Féile, agus ar an nuair na lig agus John Virginia Jarmid an upper war a héana seo in agru Féile agus tásamh ní héin.
Is cinse go an bontlach é gachram faoin argasa, ach rud amháin a tá cinse de. Chucky and Tam near Wahian and Duke and soccer race.
This launch encapsulates common elements which are driving change right across the city of Belfast. That optimism and the endeavour from both local communities and the Irish language community often together is animating this city from north to south, east to west.